What is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's been a minute. It's been a minute, and I've been into some things. So lately, I've been trying to get this trading thing off the ground. I'm coming back to trading. I first got introduced to trading back in 2015, back when I was doing YouTube, I believe. Back when I was still doing YouTube, uploading videos. But now I'm back messing around with it, and I'm starting this prop firm with Topstep. And I figured I'm going to try to record some videos showing you guys my progress, holding myself accountable. And I did catch this move yesterday on gold, or last night, market opening. Based on this setup right here, I'm about to explain to you guys. Gold went crazy today, by the way. So shout out to Gold for that. Gold went crazy. This is my actual setup here, but I'm gonna redo it over here on GC. So what I was looking for, obviously, if you go big on gold, you can tell gold has been on an uptrend. It's pushing up. It's holding that trend here. It's literally making higher lows. I mean, 1, 2, 3. It's just pushing up. So I was already looking for gold buys based on the weekly, based on the daily. Also, that daily is holding that trend as well. It's been trending up for days, right? So ultimately I was still looking for buys on gold. So market opening yesterday or last night or whatever. Price was basically here. I think where was price? Price was here, right? If you go back and rewind, price was here on gold. So what I was looking for here was basically some support levels. If you go slightly look to the left, you can see right here, gold has a little support where it closed out Friday. That was actually Sunday's opening right there too. So what I did was I went to the left here, right? And I was like, okay, this is my 1 hour support level on gold. Now that we identified that gold is trending up on the higher time frame, as far as like the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, we know that gold, even the monthly, if you go to the monthly, gold is pretty much on an uptrend. So we're continuously looking for buys at this moment. So now we drop back down to the smaller time frame, and I'm looking for gold. I'm looking for anything above this level, I'm looking for buys, right? So what I did was basically on the 1 hour time frame, market opened right here. That was market open. Okay, I noticed that market opened and went down, basically tapped off my EMAs. It rejected the support level, so it's holding support on the 1 hour. I'm like, okay, cool. Let me see what the next 1 hour does. Boom. That was the next 1 hour candle. I think I got it around 7, maybe 8. I think I probably got it around 8 o'clock, but then I dropped down to the 15-minute time frame. And what I wanted to look for in the 15-minute, this looks different on here, honestly. Now that I'm looking at it, this looks different. I was basing my trade off of this 15-minute. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the setup I actually took from where I was marking up on. GC does look a little different. I think the price is different. Yeah, because currently price is like 34.06 and it's 33.99 here. So okay, let's go here from where I actually took my position. So what I was looking for, it's the same thing, right? We're looking for. There's a support on the hourly. Above this level, gold is typically going to buy up. It's making higher lows. Gold is going up, right? So based on that 1 hour, we had this 1 hour held support. This 1 hour was doji, right? That 1 hour held support. That 1 hour was doji. I dropped down to the 15 minutes. So now I'm looking for an entry, right? I know it's kind of, some people say out of session is Asian session. That's fine. I'm looking at the price action. I'm looking at what price is doing. On a bigger time frame, I think it was making what time frame is that? Yeah, on a bigger time frame, on the 4 hour is a higher high. It went down and made that higher low. So I'm getting it on the higher low, using the 1 hour as support. I might be talking a little fast, but you guys can leave some comments down below and we can break it down some more. So 1 hour, we're going down to the 1 hour, held 1 hour support. So now I'm looking for an entry. So I'm looking on the 5-minute time frame here. And I was saying, okay, I've noticed like every time the 5-minute close above this level, it tends to go. So I'm looking back. 5-minute was holding support. 5-minute drop below, played around. You know what I mean? But for me to take this entry, I jumped to the 15-minute time frame, right? I seen this 15-minute time frame, lower low, lower high, the shift of structure on the 15-minute, got that engulfing candle right there, and that's all I needed. That's all I needed. I almost missed this trade, to be honest. I missed this trade. I didn't realize 8 o'clock did come around, and I was doing something else, and I almost missed it. So I took my entry there. I think I just took it off the 15-minute. I'm not even sure if I did on the 5. Yeah, because I got it on this candle. I took it off the 15-minute entry right there, and the rest was history. And I needed my stops was below these lows. Gave myself a little bit more breathing room. I think on the 1 hour between the double, below the double dojis, below the double EMAs, and I gave myself a little breathing room. Sorry if, like I said, if I'm doing this too fast. This is my first video. I kind of want to get into recording my trades and document them and uploading them on YouTube and get my channel back doing whatever again. Why not, you know? Record myself. I might hold myself accountable. I might stop blowing these accounts if I'm actually uploading them and you guys are following along with me and or whatever the case may be. But I did get in this trade. I needed 1,500 to pass. With Topstep, you need 3K. I've got a 50K account. You need 3K to pass the valuation. With me, I don't want to play around. I'm not trading micros. I'm not trying to waste my time. And gold was giving me a beautiful setup because honestly, I was in gold before last week at like 30.30, 33.30. I had got in gold before at 33.30, 400, like right here. You know, I was in gold buys back then. I think I was on a demo though, so I knew gold was just pretty much pushing up. And I even had told my homie that gold was holding the support level on the daily. Like I just showed you guys, gold was pretty much pushing up. Even that day that gold did that crazy push, I think when Trump said something, gold had came down and then it bounced off of here and just went crazy. This went 71, 75, and it pushed up crazy. That was like Wednesday. But yeah, gold was holding this daily support, just making higher lows the whole time. So I'm like, okay, yeah, gold is still going to push up, right? Today I'm actually looking for another. I'm actually looking for another position. But this trade did end up doing what I needed for it to do. As you guys can see, it went way beyond. Way beyond. Man, I'm kind of mad I wasn't on a XFA account, but it was all good. TP was hit. And I'm gonna show you guys that I did do that. TP was hit. I made the 1,500, 100% win rate. Yeah, I made the 1,500 for the day. I did actually get out of that trade early. I'm not gonna lie. I did get out the trade early. After it showed me a little pullback. I think I got out here. I think it was here. And I fell asleep around midnight. Then I got back in and finally hit my TP. But yeah, I made the 1,500. I'm halfway to 3K. I'm looking for another position today. I think my account actually just opened up. If you go to XFA, go back to the charts. My account was locked. It's officially open. This is my trade I took yesterday. Same setup on gold. Exact same setup. I had it marked up on here as well. And man, yeah, gold went crazy. Oh my goodness. Gold went crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to hold my, oh my goodness, look at that, bro. Like a one contract went wild. That's $6,000. I'm definitely gonna try to record these more or document them. I know I didn't record this live. I didn't record myself taking a trade live. That is fine. You guys can see I actually took a trade and I took it. Where's that stuff at? I took the trade. I made the 1,500. I passed the evaluation. And yeah, that's it. That is it, ladies and gents. 45 minutes my average duration. Like I said, I did get out the trade a couple times and I got back in, but ultimately I did make the 1,500. I just got spooked myself out. I always do that. I need to stop doing that. I need to stop doing that. But I did, even my first position when I was in it, it went up to like 1,000 plus, but no losses. Pretty much do what I need to do. And that is my quick video. If you guys definitely want to see me record more of these, I'm going to try to pass this. I'm going to try to record my next position. and try to pass this evaluation. It's not my first time passing these evaluations. I typically do them in like 2 days. So, but I always seem to like blow it once I get to XFA count. But if you guys definitely want to see me record more of these videos and upload them on the channel and try to get some more content out there, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, man, subscribe to this video. And I'm going to see you guys in the next one. I know it's been a minute. Hopefully I can get back on the horse. Peace.